Hello, Daniel. Today we're going to learn how to hide our email address on LinkedIn. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. You're going to click on your profile image, top right-hand side, and you are going to go to settings and privacy. Once you come here, you're going to select visibility. And then you're going to find this option that says who can see or download your email address. You're going to click here and simply you're going to select only visible to me. And that's how you can hide your email address from your LinkedIn profile. That's it for this video. Let me know if you have any comments. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.